morning. So we're going to work on the Chapter 5 quiz review. So everybody, that's the review for our Chapter 5 quiz. Okay, so the first one, it says Brandon works on an online trader. He makes a piecewise function to sell the cost to place an online advertisement. Okay, so the cost is $48 when it's 3 or less lines. Okay. And then $48 plus 5 for each additional line. So what's the X value of the cusp? So the X value is going to be the 3, and the Y value of the cusp is 48. If you're going to graph it, it would look like this. So it's going to be 48 right here, and then it's going to go up, and right here would be 3. Okay, so going down. So this would be the cusp right here. Okay, Leslie wants to place an advertisement in a local newspaper to sell her car. This piecewise function shows the cost of the advertisement given that X equals the number of lines. Okay, so if the advertisement she wants to place will be 8 lines, how much will the paper charge? Okay, so this is for 5 or less. So 5 or less than or equal to 5 lines is $15. Well, this is 8. So it's more than that, so it means we're going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to substitute in 8 for X. So it's going to be the cost is 15 plus $2.50, 8 minus 5. Okay, so we substitute that all in, and we get the cost is $22.50. Okay, John just bought a used car for his cousin for $6,000. When he changes the title and gets the license plate, he's required to pay 8 1/4% sales tax. How much sales tax does he pay? So we're going to go ahead and multiply it. So it's going to be the cost times, okay, and that's going to be 0.0825 because everybody remember 1/4 is 25 cents. So we got the 8.25. Remember, drop the percent sign and go to the left, add the decimal and the 0. Or you can do everybody where you, or divide it by 100. So take and just divide that into 100 in the calculator to change it to a percent. Okay, so we multiply those together and we get $905. And I'm going to double check that. Okay, so we got that one right. Okay, so then on this one, so we're now having, okay, so it says compute the inner quartile range for the B&W 5 series, everybody. Okay, so the B&W 5, so that's this one. Okay, so it's just going to be right here. Okay, and so it says the inner quartile range. Okay, so for that one, so we're going to assume, so that looks like it's about 48. So 55. Remember, this is quartile 3 minus quartile 1 for the inner quartile range, home on the range. Okay, so 55 minus, so we're looking at these. Okay, so we got 17. It says compute the boundary for the lower outliers for the B&W 7 series. So that means everybody, we're going to use this